Hey everybody, it's Miss Holden here. We've got another lesson on fractions today. Last time you had a go at adding fractions with the same denominator. Today we're going to have a go at subtracting fractions with the same denominator, and the same rules apply. Can you remember the golden rule from last time? Let's have a quick recap. Okay, so we've got here, look, 1/3. We've got one piece out of 3 of this circle here, okay? So 1/3, and we're adding that to another 1/3, okay? So if you have a look at, there's a blank one here, blank circle here that's been split into 3 pieces. I've coloured 2 parts in, so the answer is going to be 2/3, because we've got 2 pieces and there's still 3 altogether. The denominator stays the same. So if I've got 3, the denominator is going to still be 3 because we've still got 3 parts. Okay, but we've got 1 here and we've got 1 part here. So we've got 2 parts out of the 3. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So we've got 1/11 add 3/11ths, okay? So think about the rule. The denominator stays the same, so we can fill that in straight away. So the denominator is going to be 11. Let's figure out what the numerator is going to be, that number on the top. We've got 1 add 3. 1 add 3 is 4, okay? We had 1 piece. We're adding 3 more pieces. 1, 2, 3. We've now got 4/11ths, okay? 1/8 add 1/8. Have a think, what's the numerator going to be? What's the denominator going to be? Okay, well done, Y3. If you were thinking 2/8. The denominator stays the same. 1/12 add 1/12. 1 add 1 is 2. The denominator stays the same, so it'll be 2/12. Okay, let's have a bit more practice look. So here we go. 4/15 add 2/15 equals, well, I know I've already done the denominator look because we know that the denominator stays the same. That is the golden rule. We need to really, really remember that. Okay, 1 second, I've got my green pen here. Okay. Right, so we just need to fill in the numerator. So 4 add 2, what's 4 add 2? 6. So the answer will be 6/15, 6/15. Okay, have a look at the next one then. 7/10 add 2/10. We're not using diagrams this time because you can work it out just by looking at the numbers. You don't need the diagrams, okay? I've already filled in the denominator. The denominator stays the same. It's just the numerator, just the top numbers that we're looking at. So 7 add 2, 7, 8, 9. So it'll be 9/10. Okay, let's do this next one together then. So imagine if we had 1/7 and 3/7. Give you a couple of seconds. Can you think what the numerator is going to be? Well done, Y3. 4/7. The denominator stays the same. So when we're subtracting fractions, we still need to remember that golden rule that the denominator stays the same. The biggest mistake that children make actually when they've got a fraction question is they forget to look at the symbol. So as long as you remember to look at this, you should be able to find the correct answer. So here we've got 9/10 subtract 1/10. We're not adding. You need to be careful, make sure you don't do the wrong thing, okay? So same rules apply, look. We've got 10, 10, 10 because the denominator stays the same. Only the numerator changes. So 9 minus 1, 9 subtract 1, 8/10. What will the next one be? Have a look. We've got 3/3. So we've actually got 1 whole there, haven't we? 1 whole take away 2/3 equals something. Have a think what the answer is. Okay, 3 take away 2, you're going to be left with 1/3. You've got 1/3 left. Okay, have a go then at this one. So 10/11ths take away 5/11ths. The denominator stays the same, so we know we've got that bit right. 10 take away 5, think of your number bonds to 10. 10 take away 5 is 5, so it's 5/11, 5/11ths. Okay, Y3, do you want to get a piece of paper, something to write on and a pencil? Have a go at these 3. You could pause this video right now and then we'll go through the answers. So I'll read them out to you. We've got 3/4 minus 1/4. What would that equal? Think about the golden rule. We've got 6/8 take away 4/8. We've got 8/10 subtract 7/10. Okay. Right, so if you've not worked out the answers, just pause this video, but I'm going to be going through the answers now. Let's see if we've got them correct. Okay, straight away, look, I'm thinking about the golden rule. Top tip rule, look, the denominator stays the same. So straight away, I could fill in all of these denominators, yeah. So it's the numerators that we need to have a look at. 3 subtract 1. So you're going to have 2/4. Remember, if it's a 4, it's being split into 4 pieces and we call them quarters, okay? So if you had 3/4 and then you're taking away 1 of the quarters, you've only got 2/4 left, which is the same. Can you see what's that's the same as? It's the same as a half. Okay, equivalent fractions, which we will be moving on to. Okay, let's have a look at the next one then. So 6/8 subtract 4/8. I've already done my denominator. So 6 take away 4 is 2. 2/8 is the answer. Okay, next one then, 8/10 subtract 7/10. Denominator is correct, so we just need to have a look at the numerator. 8 take away 7 is 1. So the answer is 1/10.